Hello, dear students and viewers. Welcome to Raninagar Model School English Learning Course. This is Aminul Islam, and I'm here to present you English lessons during this lockdown period as you are indoors because of coronavirus pandemic and homogeneous crisis. So today's lesson is all about do verb. So let's begin. Like be verb and have verb, do verbs are also used as a principal verb as well as an auxiliary verb. Okay? Like be verbs and have verbs, do verbs also perform the dual rule of an auxiliary verb as well as a principal verb. Now take a look. Do, did, done. These three verbs are called do verb. You know, done is the third form or first participle form of do. And this verb done is always used in a sentence as a principal verb. Okay? But we are talking about do and did. Do and did. Now see, does, do, did, does. Now see, does is used in present indefinite tense. Does is used in present indefinite tense if the subject is third person singular number. It will be clear to you with the example. Now see, he does not go to school. Here the subject is he. On the other hand, Ram does the work. Here in this sentence, the subject is Ram. In both the sentences, the subjects are third person singular number. So we use s or s with the verb do. So does is used in both the sentences. Okay. So okay guys, I'm gonna show you the various uses of do verb in a sentence one by one. Now the point number one or rules number one. As an auxiliary, do verbs are used in present indefinite tense to form interrogative sentence and negative sentence. As an auxiliary, do verbs are used in present indefinite tense to form interrogative sentence and negative sentence. Follow the examples. Do you go there? Do you go there? Did he play football? He does not love me. I did not lose my hope. Okay? Here in the first sentence, go is the main verb. Here in the first sentence, go is the main verb. And as you know, to use not in a sentence or to form interrogative sentence, an auxiliary is must. And in indefinite tense, whether it is present indefinite or past indefinite, as there is no auxiliary in these tenses, do is used as an auxiliary verb, right? So, do you go there? Here go is the main verb and do is used as an auxiliary verb. In the second sentence, did he play football? Here play is the main verb, so did is an auxiliary verb, right? In the next sentence, he does not love me. Here love is the main verb or principal verb, and to use not, we use do verb as an auxiliary verb, right? Here does is used as the subject is third person singular number. Okay. In the fourth sentence or last sentence, I did not lose my hope. Here loss is the main verb of the sentence. So did is used as an auxiliary verb. Okay. Number two. Do verbs are also to give emphasis on some action. Do verbs are used to give emphasis on some action. When or how will you use this? If you want to emphasis on some action, you should use do verb immediately before the principal verb or main verb of a sentence. For example, আমি বিদ্যালয়ে যাই. This is a simple form. I go to school. But you say আমি বিদ্যালয়ে যাই. You want to emphasis on your action. Okay? I do go to school. Here go is the main verb and you use do immediately before the principal verb. Okay? I do go to school. So in this sentence express the Bengali meaning or emphasis on my action that আমি স্কুলে যাই. Okay? I ভাত খাই, I eat rice. This is a simple form, but I say I do eat rice. That means আমি ভাত খাই. Okay. Now number 3. Do verbs, you know, are used as a principal verb of a sentence, right? I did the work. I did the work. Here did is the main verb. I is the subject. Work. The work is an object here. Okay? Work is not verb here. Work is an object here. Work as the work is an object, work is used as a noun, not verb in this sentence. So did is the main verb or principal verb. Clear? Number 4. We use do verb for an unknown action. If you do not know what the doer is doing, if you do not know what the doer is doing, then you make sentence using do verb like this. What are you doing now? তুমি এখন কি করছো? What are you doing now? তুমি এখন কি করছো? If you say this sentence, you mean that you are unknown to the action done by the doer. Okay? তুমি এখন কি করছো? তার মানে এখানে জানতে চাইছো যে বক্তা কি করছে। তুমি বক্তার যে ক্রিয়া, বক্তার যে কাজ সে বিষয়ে তুমি আননোন, অজানা। তাই সেই ধরনের সেন্টেন্স এলে তুমি সেটাকে এইভাবে ট্রান্সলেট করবে। ঠিক আছে? নাম্বার 5. Do verbs. You can use do verb as the substitute verb of or substitute form of main verb. Do verbs are used as a substitute of main verb. If you use do verb in this way, this type of verb then will be called proverb, right? Proverb. You don't go to school, but I go. তুমি স্কুলে যাও না কিন্তু আমি যাই. Here this sentence is a compound sentence. Here this sentence is a compound sentence, and in this sentence there are two parts. You don't go to school, this is a clause. I do, this is also a clause. Here in the first clause, go is the main verb. Here in the first clause, go is the main verb. Okay? And in the second clause, do is the main verb. তুমি স্কুলে যাও না কিন্তু আমি যাই. তুমি স্কুলে যাও না কিন্তু আমি যাই. এই বাক্যে ডু ভার্বটা গো ভার্বের সাবস্টিটিউট হিসাবে ব্যবহার করা হয়েছে। তার মানে এই ডু ভার্ব দ্বারা আমি যাওয়া কথাটা প্রকাশ করতে পারছি। ঠিক আছে? নাম্বার 6. Do verbs sometimes are used to mean the following verbs. Do verbs sometimes are used to mean the following verbs: carry out, work out, study, complete, clean, comb, serve, repair, use. Use, that means profit or benefit, right? Carry out মান্য করা, work out solve সমাধান করা, study পড়াশোনা করা, complete সম্পূর্ণ করা, ক্লিন পরিষ্কার করা, কোম মাথা আঁচড়ানো, চিরুনি করা যেটাকে বলা হয়, রিপেয়ার ঠিক করা, ইউজ কাজে লাগা যেটা প্রফিট বা বেনিফিট, If you go through the examples, you can clearly understand, right? Have you done my hair? Sorry, have you done your lesson? তুমি কি তোমার পড়া তৈরি করেছো? Here, done means study, complete, prepare, etc. Right? I have done my hair. আমি আমার মাথা আঁচড়িয়েছি. That means I have combed my hair. I have combed my hair. Here done is used to mean comb. Here done is used to mean comb. Okay. I have done my shoes. I have done my shoes. That means here done is used to mean clean. আমি আমার জুতো পরিষ্কার করেছি. In the sentence I have done the work. That means I have completed the work. Here done means complete. I have completed the work. In the last sentence, the hotel does Sunday lunch. The hotel does Sunday lunch. Here does means serve. Does means serve. Right? প্রদান করা. Does means serve. মানে এই হোটেলটা রবিবারের খাবার প্রদান করে. Okay? Hope you all clearly understand the uses of be verb. Okay? In the next class, I will come back with a new lesson. Till then, goodbye.